Well, seafood is part of life here in South Florida.
It is, and it's a major part of the dish that we're snapping up tonight as we grab a bite with Belkys.
The chef, Arturo Paz, serving up both surf and turf favorites at Lobster Bar Sea Grill on Miami Beach.
We're in a very iconic space, which is the Fifth and Washington, the subway tile look with the vaulted ceiling. It's a combination of our steakhouse, whole fish experience combined with the lobster experience.
Lobster Bar Sea Grill is open 7 days a week, featuring dinner each day and brunch on Sundays. You can also check out their happy hours, so stop by and try the dish we're making today, lobster morsels. Chef Arturo starts by making the batter for the lobster. He mixes flour, cornstarch, garlic powder, white pepper, and salt in a bowl. Then he slices lobster tails in half, cuts them into bite-sized pieces, dips the lobster in buttermilk, and covers it in the seasoned flour.
The key to this is to make sure that there's flour covering every bit of the lobster morsel. That way you get a nice even crunch on it.
The lobster goes into the deep fryer for 7 minutes. When trying this at home, you can fry it in a deep pan with canola oil for the same amount of time.
You want to make sure that it gets a nice golden color.
While the lobster cooks, Chef Arturo prepares the honey mustard sauce by mixing mayonnaise, white vinegar, dry mustard, and honey.
We're going to plate up. We're going to put our honey mustard sauce on the bottom of the plate.
Chef Arturo then squeezes out some thyme-infused honey. You can find this at retail online stores like Amazon. The lobster morsels come out of the fryer and go on the plate with the mustard sauce and honey.
And there you have it. That's our signature lobster morsels with honey mustard sauce. With our lobster morsels, we highly recommend our Cigala Santorini, which is a wonderful Greek wine. Salud. Welcome to Lobster Bar Sea Grill, and this is our signature lobster morsels with a honey mustard sauce. Buen provecho.
Thanks, Chef. I've actually been to that winery in Santorini. How do you like that? If you want information on this recipe and all the other ones we feature here on The Bite, check them out. They're on our website at WSVN.com. Click on Entertainment and then click on Bite, and you can read my Bite blog there as well. Live in the Newsplex, I'm Belkys. Bon appetito.